Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Epson scan to cloud instant fix step by step clearly. To connect your Epson scanner to the cloud, first ensure your scanner is powered on. Next, make sure your scanner is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your computer or mobile device. Open the Epson Scan app on your computer or mobile device. Select your scanner from the list of available devices. If prompted, sign into your Epson account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings menu within the app. Look for the Cloud Settings option in the Settings menu. Select your preferred cloud service from the available options. Follow the prompts to authenticate your cloud account by entering your credentials. After connecting, you may want to set default preferences for scan quality and file format. Now, go back to the home screen of the Epson Scan app. Choose the type of document you want to scan. Place your document on the scanner bed or in the automatic document feeder. Press the Scan button in the app to start the scanning process. Once your document is scanned, you will see options to save or share. Select the option to save your scanned document to the cloud. Confirm the upload to ensure your document is saved in your cloud account successfully. Finally, check your cloud service to verify that your scanned document is there. Congratulations, you have successfully connected your Epson scanner to the cloud. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.